What's good, YouTube? And I'm back with another video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend, tell aunties, cousins, grandmas to come watch me. If you're not watching, then what are you doing? So then I'm gonna be doing a mini vlog plus mukbang. He won't be in it because he don't like eating on camera. So y'all stay tuned. So the line been extra long. We've been here for like 30-40 minutes. Like the line go all the way around. And yeah, so we just waiting to get our food. It's pretty long. So I got a spicy chicken sandwich with some nuggets and it's fried. Boy, it's broke ass. He got an Oreo shake.
Yeah.
And spicy chicken sandwich and some tenders. And yeah, we'll show y'all when we get the food. Okay, so you got the sandwich. You gotta hold it. You gotta be my guest since you already don't want to be in the video. The fries. No, I ain't eat them. I swear, I ate two and I don't know why it looks so empty. Yours is bigger though, so I don't know what's in yours, but whatever. And this is my sandwich. It's so dark. Did the chicken nugget fall? Alright, well, this is the chicken nuggets. They so small. His tenders and his Oreo milkshake. But yeah, it's Oreo milkshake that I'm going to steal. And we stopped at Publix, so I'm gonna vlog inside Publix. Please don't mind the bumminess, but we're in Publix now, and it's gonna be getting some things. So yeah. I want some Starbucks minis. You want to get it for me?
My minis.
So? What you getting me? I'm cropping that part out because you... Yes. So he got me the Starbucks minis, and he got his water, and now I'm gonna film me eating Chick-fil-A. Oh, light hitting. So I'm finally home and I'm eating. So by myself. Somebody don't want to be in my video. Oh, no, I already said that. This is my first time eating Chick-fil-A. By the way, y'all don't beat me up in the comments. This bus. You know, it remind me of the Popeye sandwich. It's the same thing. I might have to smack, and I don't even like smacking or hearing smacks. It's spicy. Too spicy. It tastes good though. Very good. Like, and I put the Chick-fil-A sauce in there. But he started saying something about his fries. So let me get my own fries. You done already? I hate when she do that, dog.
What?
You didn't see the message?
Is it in Spanish?
Mm-hmm.
So even if I did see the message, I was supposed to understand it.
When I left the house, I told her I was going. She didn't say nothing. I'm not sharing nothing. What happened? You okay?
That sounds best. Wish I had a second one.
Mm-hmm.
Wish I had a second one.
You want the rest of mine? My job said these fries.
Waffle fries?
Mm-hmm. But don't mind my boyfriend phone, but these taste better. Hold on. They're so small to me, but they taste so good.
It's real chicken.
It don't taste like they're coming out of a frozen bag. So, I'm gonna be ending this video. I'll be back with more videos, cause I'm back working. So yeah, chill. I'm trying to get all this college stuff out the way. So don't beat me up for not being too consistent. And yeah.